We're on our way to Milford Sound, and we've already been on the road for over 3 hours.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, gorgeous.
Hopefully the weather will clear up for us when we're on the boat and enjoying the beauties. Okay, let's see what Brenda and Rick do.
We're going to Milford Sound on the Milford Mariner. That's our boat right there.
So beautiful.
Same thing, yes.
As we leave this afternoon, we do need to run you through a safety briefing.
Rebecca.
So just in case of any disaster or emergency, I will either activate the ship's alarm, which will be really annoying warbling noise, activate the ship's horn,
That's so
and
cool.
7 short blasts followed by 1 long blast, or most likely I will make the expect. So do please take care of your balance. Plenty of trip hazards around the boat. Ah yes, out to the right. What on earth's that? That's the waterfall. That's the Bowen Falls, the tallest of the permanent waterfalls here in Milford Sound. And that supplies the drinking water that we do enjoy on the boat here.
The Milford Sound, it's so amazing.
Looks like we might get in nice and close to these waterfalls, so if you're not outside, it is a great opportunity to make your way out to the bow, the front of the boat, or up on the top deck here.
They're turning the boat around now. That's the Tasman Sea. We've come through the Milford Sound and we're returning back to port.
Rick's in his own shade.
What?
Rick's in his own shade.
Yeah, he is.
Yeah. All right, let's take a picture, huh? See if you want to bus.
Sure. I'll try anything. I did the little
Oh, did you?
And there's a local legend that goes with this, that they obviously are kissed by this beautiful mist and they wake up looking and feeling 10 years down this road. A pretty unique opportunity for a photo here.
This right here and Patagonia are the only places in the world you'll get a glacier, a rainforest, and a fjord all in one area.
And I might be slightly biased, but I think it's the best one.
What a great day.
Did a great job. Oh, that's Dave.
That was awesome.
It was awesome.